Hello, I'm Katie, and for the telephone call that we had to do, I think I'd rate my listening skills an 8. I think I did really well, but I definitely could improve upon thinking deeper about what the person is saying in the moment so I can ask questions to show I was cognitively listening to them as they were speaking. I definitely feel like I conducted myself really well. I feel like every time you have a phone call, you're always so worried about how it's going to be. You think it'll be awkward and uncomfortable, but it always ends up being very, very good and easy once you start it. I was definitely a successful, empathetic listener, but this topic made it really easy to do because it was such a fun topic to listen to what they worried about or what was difficult for them in COVID and what they learned from COVID so far, which made it really easy to do. And he was a really empathetic listener and did a really good job when I was speaking as well. What I could improve upon would definitely be thinking deeper when they are in their conversation, especially since you don't even have to worry about anything else, like not looking in their eyes or anything, just listening on the phone. So you can come up with questions to show that you were listening in a deeper sense. And then what I learned definitely was that phone calls are not as scary as they seem. They're definitely less common nowadays, and nobody wants to do it because there's social media, texting, and all this easy stuff to get out of it. But in the long run, it'll help you because there's phone calls with work people and other things that is a good skill to have. Thank you.